Congress General Secretary Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala today said that PM Modi should tender an apology to India's migrant labour. Supreme Court's stinging indictment of Labour Ministry warrants sacking of Labour Minister and a fixed responsibility of Home Minister Amit Shah for mishandling of migration crisis. In a statement, Shri Surjewala said that the Supreme Court judgment delivered today in the case titled Problems and Miseries of Migrant Labour as per Suo Motu Writ Petition, Civil, No. 6 of 2020, is a wake-up call and an eye-opener for the unpardonable sins committed by the Modi government. In ignoring the plight and miseries of the Nirmatas of urban India, that is the migrant labourers, and treating them as outsider second-class citizens, pushed to the margin to fend for themselves in the middle of COVID-19 pandemic. He said Supreme Court describes Modi government's handling of migrant crisis as unpardonable, as the Supreme Court has delivered a stinging indictment of Modi government describing the apathy lackadaisical attitude of Modi government as unpardonable. Time has come for the Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, to tender an unconditional apology to the architects of urban India, that is the migrant labour. In Para 75 of the judgment, the Supreme Court held as follows. When the unorganized workers are waiting for registration and are waiting to reap the benefit of various welfare schemes of the states and centre, the apathy and lackadaisical attitude by the Ministry of Labour and Employment is unpardonable. Simple question that arises is, does the Minister for Labour and Employment, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar, have right to continue as Minister even for a second more? Why should he not be sacked? Why should the responsibility of Minister for Disaster Management, Shri Amit Shah, be now not affixed? Is he not equally responsible? Shri Surjewala added that what's even more shocking to learn is that the Modi government has deliberately sabotaged the National Food Security Act 2013, an epochal legislation brought by the Congress UPA government. In Para 40 of its judgment, the Supreme Court has pointed out as to how, despite the passage of 10 years since the NSS Household Consumption Survey for 2011-2012, the Modi government has been deliberately relying upon the same old data of 2011-12 to determine the beneficiaries under the National Food Security Act 2013. Para 40 of the judgment says that the state-wise coverage under National Food Security Act was determined by the then Planning Commission, now Niti Aayog, by using the NSS Household Consumption Survey data for 2011-2012. More than 10 years have elapsed from determination of state-wise coverage. In event central government undertakes fresh determination of the state-wise coverage under National Food Security Act, number of beneficiaries state-wise are bound to increase, benefiting the large number of eligible persons. We, thus, are of the view that central government need to take steps to undertake exercise under Section 9 of the National Food Security Act 2013 to redetermine the total number of persons to be covered under rural and urban areas of the state, which shall be beneficial to large number of persons. Further, in his statement, Surjewala said that while fresh NSS Household Consumption Survey is conducted every 5 years, however, in order to deprive the new beneficiaries, underprivileged sections, of the benefits of ration, food items under the 2013 Act, the government has willfully withheld the numbers of the 2017 NSS Household Consumption Survey and has not even bothered to take steps to conduct the 2021-22 NSS Consumption Survey. This is nothing short of a crime by the BJP government with the sole intention to deny benefits to the needy at the time of COVID-19. Hence, the Congress party strongly demands that the latest numbers of the NSS Household Consumption Survey be put in the public domain within 1 week from today, and the government shall inform the public about the preparations of the new NSS Household Consumption Survey. He said that Congress welcomes Supreme Court's decision for appropriate and timely allocation of food grains to all states. While it should have been the solemn duty of the central government to ensure that appropriate and timely allocation of food grains be made to all states, we are happy that today the Supreme Court has given appropriate directions to the centre in order to ensure proper food security to our migrant brothers and sisters. We hope the Modi government will implement it in letter and spirit.